I'm going to show you a quick look around my GoPro Hero 10 setup and how I've got it for when we go away. This is it. So I've got the El Grande pole, I've got the G94 cage from Ulanzi, and the reason why I've got the G94, it's the plastic one and it's a little bit, well, it's quite a bit lighter. And I've got the Rode Fluffy Dead Cat. Now on the back of this you'll see what I've done. I just took the wire into one of the groove slots so it raises the microphone head up higher so it doesn't go into the line of the lens when I'm recording. And obviously the GoPro mic adapter. The thing I do like about this is you've got the quick release mount on the El Grande, and it's same with the three-way 2.0 GoPro handle, so I can take it off this and put it straight onto the three-way one. So let's go and take it out and let's go and test it. Now this is the Hero 8, and this is set up with the three-way 2.0, which is the GoPro's new model. Now the difference is obviously the tripod is basically set like this. It's already built in as an handle. The only thing I don't like about this is if it's stood on a stand, on its stand like this, a little bit of wind, you've got that. So when you are putting the microphone on, even if it's the Rode Wireless Go or this one, you can see now it's just a bit windy and it's blowing. I have got a light cube on it. Make sure that you do push this right in, otherwise it'll give you some defects in the sound. Like I say, I do use the grooves on the mount, push the wire in, it just lifts it up away from the lens. So that's the Hero 8 set in its cage. Little white light cube which I got with it, which I bought for it. It was only about, I think it was about £11 for that, and it's quite bright. I mean, that's daylight, but you can get the grips of it. And with this Ulanzi cage, this is the aluminium one, metal one, whichever it is. I've got the 52mm lens, and I've got the ND filters for that as well. Now, like I said, with the other one, I can't, with the Hero 10 which I'm on now, I can't put the ND filters to it because obviously with the Ulanzi G94 cage it's got like a surrounding around the lens, so you can't clip the ND filters on. So then if you're using this with the GoPro mic adapter, you're going to end up tying that adapter to the side of the selfie stick or whichever, and then you're not getting the benefit of the mounts, etc. So that's the only problem you've got with it. So then where you're going to fix your GoPro where you're going to put your Rode microphone, because you haven't got the shoe mounts on it. So swings and roundabouts. So it would be good if somebody come up with some sort of idea where it's a mount attached straight to the camera if you wanted to use that. I don't know, but that's the setups of both cameras I've got. This is quite a good pole, this El Grande, so it's quite a good length. No, Jan thinks so. So yeah, that's the Hero 8. You can see, like I say, it's wobbling. The stabilisation should sort that out, but it's still a bit annoying if the wind. I mean, I'll just jump on decking. Oh, it's not wobbling. There you go. And you can see it wobbling. But yeah, that's my setups. And the only other difference is I've got the Rode Wireless Go, which basically is just exactly the same really. It's a bit smaller. I have trimmed this down. I've given it a haircut, a bit like mine. But yeah, it's trimmed down, and it stops when it is out of the when it is out of the wires at the back, and it's covered in this lens. You can see this bouncing in front of it. So that's the only reason why I've trimmed it down a little bit. Give it a number 2 all over. Just going to show you around it again. So give us a thumbs up, tell me what you think of it, if it's something you change different on it. What do you think of the 2.0 3-way stick? What do you think of the El Grande, Paul? The El Grande, I do like it. The only thing is, what it has, I was under the illusion that basically you could put a tripod on the bottom of it, because it's got that, looks like it's got an adapter you can put in, and it's not, it's like a drainage hole. That's the only problem I've got with that one. I do like the quick releases where you can just clip them off, put it onto another stand. That's my big impression of it. I do like it. I like the El Grande and I like the 3-way, but I just don't like the wobbling on it. So let's see how we go when we're away. But yeah, give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you all soon on the next one. Bye for now.